What if I told you that eggshells, which most of us toss away without a second thought, could actually be the foundation for a profitable business? Welcome to the world of eggshell powder, an eco-friendly product with a wide range of applications from health supplements to agriculture. It's time to turn this waste material into something valuable and sustainable. What is eggshell powder? Eggshell powder is created by grinding dried eggshells into a fine powder. Composed mainly of calcium carbonate, it serves as a natural, cost-effective source of calcium. While it might seem like a simple byproduct, eggshell powder is proving to be an essential ingredient in several industries. The benefits, precautions, many uses of eggshell powder. Eggshell powder is a versatile and valuable product with a wide range of applications. As a natural and affordable calcium supplement, it's well absorbed by both humans and animals, making it an effective addition to health regimes. In agriculture, it serves as a soil conditioner, improving calcium content and pH balance to benefit plant growth. It's also used as a feed supplement in poultry, supporting bone health and overall strength. Beyond its industrial uses, eggshell powder has found its way into DIY projects such as homemade toothpaste, face scrubs, and even gardening. The appeal of eggshell powder lies in its affordability, versatility, and natural benefits with excellent absorption properties that make it a popular choice across various sectors. However, to maintain its quality, it's essential to thoroughly clean and dry the eggshells before grinding, ensuring a fine powder consistency for maximum effectiveness. Proper storage in airtight containers in a cool, dry place is also crucial to preserve its freshness. Starting an eggshell powder business. Are you ready to start your own eggshell powder business? With minimal startup costs, this business has huge potential. Here's how you can begin. To start an eggshell powder business, first analyze demand, competition, and pricing, and identify your target customers like farmers and supplement makers. Ensure compliance with food safety regulations by securing necessary licenses. Set up a processing facility for cleaning, drying, grinding, and packaging. Source clean eggshells from local suppliers and invest in key equipment like washing machines, dryers, mills, sieves, and packaging tools. Implement strict quality control to ensure consistency and develop a marketing strategy to reach your audience and build a distribution network. Market demand and opportunities. The demand for eggshell powder is expected to grow as people become more health conscious and eco-aware. Here's why. Growing preference for natural products. Consumers are increasingly seeking natural, organic alternatives, and eggshell powder fits perfectly into this trend. Calcium deficiency awareness. With more focus on bone health, eggshell powder is a sought-after supplement to address calcium deficiency. Expanding organic farming. As organic farming grows, so does the need for natural soil conditioners like eggshell powder. Value-added products. There's an opportunity to create specialized blends for various applications, from animal feed to gardening. Market size and growth. The eggshell powder market has been experiencing strong growth in recent years. In 2024, the market size was estimated at $173.78 million, and it is projected to reach $396.55 million by 2033, growing at CAGR of 9.6%. This growth is driven by rising awareness of natural products and the expanding demand for eco-friendly and sustainable solutions. Key market trends. Innovation in processing. There is a growing focus on improving processing methods to make production more efficient and sustainable. Expanding applications. As the uses of eggshell powder continue to expand, opportunities for new applications will emerge. Sustainability focus. More businesses are emphasizing eco-friendly practices, which is driving the growth of sustainable products like eggshell powder. The manufacturing process. Creating eggshell powder is simple but requires attention to detail. Eggshell collection. collect clean eggshells from local sources. Washing and cleaning, thoroughly wash and clean eggshells to remove residue. Drying, dry the cleaned shells to ensure microbial growth is prevented. Grinding, grind the dried eggshells into a fine powder using suitable machinery. Sieving and packaging, sieve the powder to ensure consistency and then package it in suitable containers. Choosing the right location for your plant. When setting up your production facility, consider: when choosing a location for your eggshell powder business, proximity to reliable egg suppliers is key to reducing transportation costs. It's also important to have access to skilled labor experienced in food processing. Look for areas with reliable infrastructure, including power, water, and transportation facilities. Being close to major markets or distribution centers will make it easier to reach customers. And consider areas with government support or incentives for sustainable and agro-based industries to further boost your business. Why consider the eggshell powder industry? This industry offers significant growth potential. The demand for natural and sustainable products is growing, and the cost of entry is low compared to many other businesses. Not only can you tap into a profitable market, but you'll also be helping reduce waste by recycling eggshells, turning a common byproduct into something valuable. Are you ready to build the future? Then let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ year experience in supporting business with detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research reports, equipment and raw material specifications, process flow diagrams and manufacturing details, complete project financials and profitability analysis. Not just these, but we also support you with custom reports that's made for your needs. If you need to know more or in detail, you can contact us through the phone number or email provided in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for next video.